Good evening, this is Rich Ham.
Please subscribe to Rich Ham on YouTube. And join my Facebook page, Rich Ham. I'm on YouTube too. I'm going to show you how to get out of the bathroom London with clothes. If your fan, you plug it in, and there's no wind coming out of the fan, okay? It raining and stuff. Kind of like my hair. Mess. I don't brush my hair. I got no one to impress. Okay, back to the package. Now, okay, now you have the fan on, and you don't feel no, and you don't feel no wind coming out. Okay, only if you wear close to it. What you do is, first you do. Unplug it. Don't get electrocuted. Don't get electrocuted. Okay. Okay. Unplug it. Safety first. Here we're going to take some time. You're going to need fan made to run at a certain speed on so many RPM with so much power. See, no fan rope, and you got a brick on the top. Not in the fan for the past 7 years. Every couple of years I have to do this. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you have to keep unscrewing it lefty. I'm going to show you why you ain't getting a wind with the fan on. You don't go and buy a new one. It's really easy, simple fix. And make sure you have all the screws. Don't lose them, okay? Because you want to make sure the dog is back on nice and safe for the kids. And for some adults. Like me. Hey, if you can't have fun in life, what can you really have fun at doing? Just like rope. You got to make fun. You got to have fun at everything you do. Because you don't, life's going to be boring. Now, people I work with, I joke all the time. Now, you would do, take normal washcloth. Or it could be a puppy pad, it could be a wet rake. So I don't know if you can see the dirt. But I'll feel for you. It don't have to be wet. I say you a dry one, because if you're going to plug it back in, water and electricity don't mix. Trust me, don't go. Oh, you know. Wipe the dirt off, spin her around, and because there ain't not much dirt on you, can you take all the dirt and stuff off? It actually make your fan more energy efficient too, because more rate your fan have on it, the harder it take the motor to turn, so the harder the motor turn, the more energy it's going to cost you. Then you did that. Make sure you get that face in the round. No, you got, and you have to go underneath it too. Now, like I said, make sure you unplug. You gotta remember, body part, you only get one pair of body part. Like I tell my kid, you only get 10 fingers, 10 toes, you get 2 heels, you only get 2 sets of eyes, and you only get 2 sets of teeth. But some people get 3 sets of teeth. Look it up if you don't believe me. That's a proven fact. Now all you do, then make sure you put the faceplate on the right way. Like you, I'm not trying to offend no one. Like you see the nipple hand. That go on the bargain. See? I think I off-road, so I'm gonna leave a target, okay? So they have to bear with me. Ready to tell you. Make sure she go all the way down in. If she don't go out there at the end, just screw your strip, but make sure she in nice and tight. As long as she's in place, you should be good. Because sometimes you're going to feel like a trip after you get in so far. But most of them going to stop after you get in. Completely. Like that one. See, stop. This one, trip. See, I still can keep on telling you. But when you got it in there, now on that marriage, you gotta remember, you next to your fan, and you good cut finger off and stuff, because it have enough G-force, not like keep you in roller coasters, or the G-force. It's good to buy your home. I did on a couple of the faceplate. I don't do the back because, like I said, you can get underneath it, underneath the blade. And I had to pay for 7 held. See that one strip too. And do saddle back up. Give me a second. And turn it back on. Now she's going to leave it too fast.
See?
This second. See, now she got power. But before she wasn't doing that. Remember at the beginning of the video, she was going slow. Now she's shaking real fast. One, that blade broken. And now I can feel hell all the way. All the way in the room now. My one son will be happy.